guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be showing you how to make refreshing watermelon juice that is perfect for the summertime. Also stay tuned to the end where I will show you how to use the watermelon juice to make popsicles. So let's get started guys. So here we go guys. Remember to always wash your fruits. I already did. So here I have a lemon that will bring great flavor to the juice. Some toothpicks, ice trays, plastic wrap, and my juicer. So we can use a juicer or a blender. So I will go ahead and cut into two. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful guys. Beautiful. So I will only use one of the fruit. Now I will cut it into slices. Now I will cut away the flesh from the skin. Now I will go ahead and cut into small pieces. Okay guys, let's taste. A really good pick guys. Very sweet. Very good. So here we go guys. And the fruit is very sweet. There's no need for sweetener. So here we go guys. Turn the mush into soft. Really a very hot summer. We are experiencing a lot of rain, but it's still steamingly hot. So keep yourself hydrated. Naturally beautiful guys. This is a sure way to keep you and your family hydrated. Drink a lot of fruit juice and water. Just beautiful guys. I love this. Beautiful. So now I will be adding some lemon juice guys. Let's taste. Refreshingly good. Remember, everyone's taste buds are different, so you can add to your desired. Taste. Wow, delicious. So now I will pour some in this measuring cup to fill the ice trays. My kids love this, guys, very much so. And I love it too. Now I will use the plastic wrap to cover and tightly wrap. Now I will insert the toothpicks. So now I will place them in my freezer. So see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I'm back. The popsicles are ready. I just want to show them to you. So here they are, guys. Delicious. Enjoy, guys.